Welcome to our power supply showdown. Today, we're diving into a detailed comparison between two of Corsair's top power supplies, the RM850X and the RM750e. Both units are fully modular and 80+ gold certified, but they cater to different needs. Let's explore their features and see which one comes out on top. Let's start with wattage. The Corsair RM850X boasts an impressive 850 watts of power, making it ideal for high-performance builds that require more energy. On the other hand, the RM750e offers 750 watts, which is still substantial for most gaming and productivity setups. If you're planning on running multiple GPUs or high-end components, the RM850X might be the better choice. Next up is price. The RM850X is priced at $149, reflecting its higher wattage and extended warranty. In contrast, the RM750e is more budget-friendly at $99, making it an attractive option for those who want quality without breaking the bank. If you're looking for value, the RM750e offers great features at a lower cost. Finally, let's talk about warranty. The RM850X comes with a generous 10-year warranty, providing peace of mind for long-term use. Meanwhile, the RM750e offers a 7-year warranty, which is still commendable, but shorter than its counterpart. A longer warranty often indicates greater confidence in product durability. In conclusion, both the Corsair RM850X and RM750e are excellent power supplies, each with its own strengths. V17. The RM850X is perfect for those needing more power and a longer warranty, while the RM750e is a fantastic choice for budget-conscious users looking for modern features. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech comparisons.